How to enable translation in Safari. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable translation in Safari. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. If you are on Safari and you are on a website that is not in your native language, Safari has a really cool build to enable translation to your current or native language. And to do that, let's just open up Safari. I'll walk you through the steps. So I'm just gonna visit a Chinese website baidu.com. So I am in this website and I don't understand any of language, and if I want to translate this language to English, then in the very top left you can see small and big A. You can tap on that, then you can see translate to English. So tap on it. Now here you can see all of a sudden translated all of these articles to English. Now if it doesn't say or give you the option to translate it to the right language, you might need to change the language on your iPhone. So let's get out of here and let's go to the setting here. And then scroll down to general. Hit on the language and region towards the bottom. You can see at the very top iPhone language is currently set to English. I can tap on that, and if you want to translate it to Spanish, it will give you option in Safari to translate all of those web pages over the Spanish. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe to our channel. Take it simple. I will be seeing you guys on the next video.